there can actually be a lot of challenges in organizing certain spaces, because there's a lot of elements that we can't always change and that we can't control. So maybe a kitchen where the cabinets are super deep, or bathrooms where the drawers are small and the measurements are weird, or a closet that's just a difficult configuration.
Don't be afraid of organizing. Don't be afraid of hopping on a website and trying different products out. I know that can feel scary,
Right.
because organizing is very exposing.
Right.
But you know, go out there with courage and get your space handled.
And that's the beauty of mDesign, because the variety is there, and you guys, they have thought up all of solutions for tricky spaces. And so, and really the beauty of us as professional organizers, what we know and what we can bring to a space that a client has yet to be able to tackle on their own.
Yeah, all the time we say to our clients, you don't have a space problem, you have a product problem.
And mDesign fixes the problem.
Yeah.